Have you ever built up layers of paint, peeled them off the palette, and then wondered what to do with them? Sheets of thick dried paint is what a paint skin is. This course is about how you can turn unused, dried acrylic paint skins into these amazing, classy pipe corals with stunning colors and arrangement, as well as make a new thick paint skin from scratch without waiting for layers to build up. This course covers how to form 3D pipe corals with texture and paint them in brilliant colors, arrange them on canvas in a pleasing way, and find inspiration easily with this one tool to prevent artist block. I am Ruth Collis, and I discover the amazing, unbelievable, far-out ways you can make sculptural paintings from thick acrylic paint and explain how to do it in easy steps, where you can make the same thing look just as advanced and mesmerizing to others. The benefits of this course is to be brilliant and form dried paint layers into amazing pipe corals of beauty. Know what glue is archival for paintings. Dazzle others with your use of mesmerizing colors. Discover an easy secret to highlighting the tops artistically like a pro. Get inside knowledge on how to varnish a 3D painting easy and reduce brush lines. Know the supplies to get and easy formulas to follow. The ideal student would be acrylic painters that want to add dimension to their paintings, bargain hunters who like to turn nothing into something, artists looking for something innovative, late-breaking, and fun to do. Accomplish something revolutionary, unusual, and upscale. Advance your skills and push the boundaries of acrylic painting possibilities. Thanks for your interest. Click to take this course and hope to see you in the course soon.